How to fix Free Fire app not working. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open settings and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as if your internet connection is not good, the Free Fire app might not work. Next, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Free Fire and make sure the Free Fire application is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to Free Fire and tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then you might need to completely delete the application. So go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Free Fire app and then tap on the remove app option you see there. Further, tap on delete app and then on delete and then open App Store and reinstall the app again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So this was about how you can fix Free Fire app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.